Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful beginner friendly coaster. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and this 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook, start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. To start the first round, make 2 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make double crochet 2 into the ring. Then make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then make double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and in this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches into this ring. So I have made total of 16 double crochet stitches. Now pull the starting yarn tail to close this little hole and make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this round, and our first round is completed. To start the second, make 2 chains again and into the same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch, make a double crochet. Now again into the same stitch, make a double crochet. Now into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. Now into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then into the fourth stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So in this way we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the stitch of first round. I have made all double crochet stitches for the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this round, and our second round is also completed. Now with the help of cutter, cut this starting yarn tail also and start the third round with 2 chains and make a double crochet in the stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Now into the next stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the second stitch. Into the third stitch we would make 1 double crochet stitch, and then into the fourth stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and then 2. Again into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and then into the next one make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So make 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet one after the other and complete the third round. So I have completed third round. Start the fourth round with 2 chains. Make a double crochet into the very first double crochet stitch of the previous round. Then make a double crochet into the next stitch also, and into the third stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches because this is our increased stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. Now into the next 2 stitches we will make 1 double crochet in each. Then into the next stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches because this is our increased stitch. Then again into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet stitch in each, and into the third stitch make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch because this is our increased stitch. So repeat the process and complete this 4th round. So I have completed this 4th round. For the 5th one make 2 chains and make double crochet 1 into the very first stitch, then double crochet into the second stitch, double crochet into the third stitch, and after these 3 simple double crochet stitches we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the 4th stitch, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now into the next 3 stitches we would make 1 double crochet in each, and into the 4th stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Now make an increase in every 4th stitch and complete this round. So I have made all double crochet stitches for this 5th round. Now we would change the color for the border. Make a slip stitch with this change color yarn, and now cut the white yarn strand and we would make knots of these 2 yarn strands together. So make 2 knots tightly and then start working with this change color yarn. Make chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the second one and make a single crochet in it. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again. Skip 1 stitch, go into the second one, make a single crochet in it. Make 3 chains again and skip 1 stitch, go into the second one, make a single crochet in it. Make 3 chains again, skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a single crochet. So in this way make 3 chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch and make a single crochet in every second stitch after chain 3 and complete this round. Now in the last make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round, and our first round for border is ready. Now we would start the second one. So for the second one make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then one more chain. So after making 4 chains make a slip stitch into the next chain 3 space, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Make a slip stitch into the next chain 3 space, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and a slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. Again make chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. Again make chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. So just complete this round making chain 4 plus slip stitch into every chain 3 space. Now in the last make 4 chains and make a slip stitch into the very first chain 4 space and pull the yarn. Cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would weave this yarn end at the back side of our work. So use a tapestry needle to weave all these yarn ends. So I have woven all these yarn ends. Now just cut them with the help of cutter and then remove all these extra yarn strands, and our very beautiful mug rug or coaster is ready. You can use it as mug rug also if you want. So if you like this tutorial, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.